Hello man, how are you?
I am fine.
Okay, may I know your introduction please?
I am Machindra from Pastor. I am married.
Okay,
I am intermediate educated person.
okay. How old are you?
I am 35.
Okay, you are married?
Yes.
How many kids do you have?
2.
Two. Okay, what is your work experience?
Ilam tea garden. Packing, loading,
Packing, loading.
checking.
How many years?
6.
6. Okay, why do you want to go to Romania?
Earn money.
On money. Who will take care of your family when you go to Romania?
My father.
Your father. Okay, do you take the vaccine of COVID?
Johnson.
Johnson. Completed?
Yes, completed.
Do you have the card?
Yes, I have card.
Okay. Do you have anyone, friends and relatives in Romania?
No.
No. Do you smoke and drink?
No.
No. If you select for factory worker, okay, are you sure you will go there?
Yes.
How many years you will stay there?
Long time.
Long time. Okay man, best of luck.
Thank you.